G'day, Tez here. I just drove along and I just decided to pull over for a quick stop. Just do my little bit of a walk around. And I come across the front of the truck and, you know, I saw a heap of oil dripping on the ground again. So I popped the bonnet and basically I've lost this oil cap here. So she's just pissing oil out everywhere. Nice mess. Now, problem is, I'm in the middle of nowhere. And now I've got to dodgy something up, do bush mechanic. So just see how we go, eh? And see what happens. Now, with a little bit of searching around in my toolbox and just on the ground, I resort to a few things. Found myself a drink bottle, and there's a couple of beer cans floating around here. Now, what happens, I just found a bike grip, push bike grip handle thing. So, if we can have a look, I've got worm drive clamp, which I had in the toolbox. This is a zip tie. Always got to have a zip tie on it when you're fixing something. Doesn't matter where. And that's a, handlebar grip off a push bike, laying on the ground. So, thought I'd slap that on, give it a shot. I folded it over because it's got a little hole in the end, so I folded it over, zip tied it in, so no more oil will come out. And we'll give that a go. So, tickable bush mechanics, tickable trucky stuff. You got to find something just to get you going, especially when you're at bush. To get another cab, geez, that could be a 2-hour wait. Then someone to come out to get you for, it might be a $50 part 9 cab. But whatever it is, and I need to get going today. So we got that, and we'll see how we go, eh? I'll give it a test, and I'll put some duct tape around it, because that's another necessary thing. And we'll give it a test and see how we go. Alright. So there you go. There's a quick lesson in for you how to be a bush mechanic. You don't need any skills. Just think out of the box. Actually, grab the box and throw it away, because thinking inside the box will never get going again. So should sell it as a kit. Can make a fortune. So yeah, well, when I get back to base over the weekend, hopefully we've got one in the shed or get one ordered. So. She's all good. So, everyone please be safe on the roads. And I know it's Friday. I should start an episode bad like Friday, because everything goes wrong on Fridays, but we'll get over it. Alright, everyone be safe on the roads, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Bye.